you guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? What's up guys? What is up everyone? What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so freaking excited for today's video. Guys, I messed up. Now uploading what am I saying? No, please, no photos. Paparazzi. Can't handle this. Hey. I'm wearing it's also recent lot. But with also meow. Hang on 1 second. So this with my Hi. All right. Those of you that don't. I have I mean, I started driving. I didn't have a license. What, Mom? You go a lot. Saint Tropez. When you say that I want it that way, just to watch what I got. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Delicious, it's hot, hot. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. It's hot, hot, so delicious. But the boys on rock, 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 so delicious. They want a taste of what I got. I never want to hear you say. Fergalicious, that fergalicious, that fergalicious, that fergalicious definition make them boys go crazy. But I was in the Starbucks drive-thru trying to order breakfast sandwich and I asked for chicken. I look really crazy. Sometimes it's so hard to vlog.